The Hspdp leader Martle and Mukhim has advocated the need for the unity of the regional forces. While addressing an election rally at Lingxing village under Mukhim constituency, Mukhim, who is also the Hspdp MDC in KHADC, said that the UDP and Hspdp has arrived at a decision to field a common candidate of the Regional Democratic Alliance to contest from the Shillong parliamentary seat after the threadbare deliberations. Looking at the larger interest, he said that the Hspdp agreed that the common candidate will take the symbol of the UDP. Former UDP MLA Remington Pingrove also spoke on the occasion.
Regional Democratic Party,
The Congress party held a public meeting